Alright guys, today we're gonna cook on the Blackstone Philly cheesesteak. We're gonna attempt to cook. Show you what we got. We got some rolls. I put a light coat of mayonnaise on them. I'm just gonna use the mayonnaise to toast them. I got some minced garlic we're going to use on the vegetables. I got mozzarella cheese. I got some butter. I diced up some onion, bell peppers, salt and pepper. I got a little bit of soy sauce. And this meat is made for what we're doing. It's Philly cheesesteak. You can find it in the grocery store. I bought 3 packs. So put us a little oil down right here. I got the rock burner turned off. That way I got me a little cool spot. We're gonna put us a little oil down. Let's go ahead and get our vegetables going. We use a little bit of butter in there. And beside it, I'm gonna cook a little bit of this minced garlic. Let it get good and brown. Go ahead and add me a little pepper to my vegetables. Some salt. Y'all like my little bunny rabbit. A bit of salt. Go ahead and add that garlic to our stuff. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce to our vegetables. Just give it a little bit of flavor. Maybe a little more. There we go. I'm gonna kind of shred this meat up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this left burner off. Slide all this over. I got a little bit of mayonnaise on these. Set me a little bit of this to the side for mine, so I don't want any onions or peppers in there. Go ahead and add all that. We'll go ahead and add some cheese. This is mozzarella. On mine there. Let's try this out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. Yeah. Let's try this out. Man. I don't even know what to say. Man. Chicken's wanting a bite. Son, look at that. This, man. Man. That's better than any cheesesteak I've ate anywhere. I ain't just saying that because I made it. Y'all definitely gotta try this. Man. All the flavors unreal. The buns toasted. I'm gonna get this grill cleaned up. We'll see you on the next adventure.